Okay, today we're going to take a look at a Parker-Majestic cylindrical grinder. This is a tool room type cylindrical grinder. It does have an automatic table feed. That's this mechanism over here. But your in-feed is manual, and you have a dead stop here you can fold down when you come around and come to your final position. You also have a fine feed dial on the hand wheel where you can back the stop off without backing off the wheel, and then you come in that much again, or back it off 5/10 and come back again. So it's a nice hand feed machine with a nice feel to it. It's got this big captain's wheel here, ship's wheel here. This would fold down. Your tailstock. Now this is a 6-inch center height here, so you've got approximately 12-inch swing on here. This is a 10-inch diameter grinding wheel with a 3-inch bore. The headstock is equipped with the sign bar, factory sign bar, and it's either live or dead, so you can do put a chuck on here or some kind of a 5-seat collet if you had one. They're all different adapters. Right now we're just selling the machine with the a dead center attachment. This would be so you could lock the center and have this rotating drum on the outside. If you had a chuck on it or if you had a collet on it, you would be taking this rotating drum off and putting something else on. So this has a 12-inch swing, a 10-inch wheel. This is not an ID grinder. When you turn it around, it doesn't turn around. Some of them are combination. This is just a straight cylindrical grinder. If you wanted to use the mechanism here for automatic, you'd pull out this disengagement knob and you start to move the table. Now the speed can be adjusted in the back of the machine. There's different step pulleys that you can change from the different ratios. Over here is a adjustment for your swivel, your top swivel table. And this whole thing obviously swivels here because this is a sign bar attachment. You got your Sony MagnaScale DRO up here. And it's a pretty nice machine. It's all original paint. You got a nice lubrication system here, Trabon, manual, one-shot type. So there it is. This is currently wired for 440 volts. This is a high voltage. If you need a transformer, we can work something out. So there you have it. That's the Parker-Majestic OD grinder.